can't close it. Shit. No.
Drenched in the rain. This is how you do it, man. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. If you guys haven't guessed right now, we're having a steamboat. That's right. This guy, and this guy. What's this? Okay, I'm gonna try to open it up. Looks very interesting.
A few moments later.
Come on up. Ooh, what do we have here? Ooh. Apparently there's some kind of dessert, some glutinous rice dessert. I have no idea how it tastes. I'm gonna try it right now. Yellow and gelatinous and shiny. It's like a jelly substance. Inside there's like bean paste. I think it's clearly time for round 2. Presenting Max and his Kung Fu. Action! I must mention the fact that the chicken wings here are very good. Because none of us can finish the fried chicken, we asked Max to eat the last one. The true champion, always a champion. Oh, sorry, once a champion, always a champion. I almost forgot to try some of these, so I gotta take some and try. So a piece out of it, and it looks like this. It's like green stuff at the bottom, and on the top is like I think glutinous rice. Oh my god, this thing is good, man. The top is coconut milk, and the bottom is like some kind of like jelly, sweet jelly or something like that. This is very good, Max. This is very good. Listen. Look at the inside. What you call this? What you call this in Thai?
Khamon Thuai.
I want to show you guys a proper perspective of what is inside this cup. So I'm gonna empty it out, the whole thing, and show you guys what's inside. Oh, I left a bit there, but yup, that's how it looks like. The white thing is the coconut milk, dried coconut milk. I honestly have to give credit to this stall. The ice cream is good, and he agrees with me. She also agreed. Ice cream for the win. You notice, I went back for chocolate chip. The reason why I did that was it's super good. It's the best flavor of the whole selection. The best. It's because of the crunchiness of the chocolate chip, coupled with the rich taste of the chocolate. Nothing can beat it. It's really very good. I just realized something that I have to do before I go.
A few moments later.
This is the store name. Yeah. Yep. You should check it out if you're into steamboat. Awesome place. Definitely should come and check it out if you like steamboat, you like ice cream, and you like all the other stuff that are in there that I just showed you guys. The vlog here, I'm gonna end it over here. It was a good dinner today. It was the 11th of June. I think is it Monday? Yeah, it's a Monday.
The eat between Kim and Donald Trump meeting, the meeting of the century.
World peace for the win. Hopefully everything goes right with this. Hopefully they are one step closer to resolving stuff. What the heck, what? Oh, okay, go.
A few moments later.
Hopefully the world can be one step closer to world peace with this conference. We don't have a lot of high hopes up, but you know, if there is progress, even if it's a little bit of progress, it's already good news. Is that right?
More than me.
I'll see you guys in the next video. If you're interested in seeing more of these Thailand trip videos, just stay tuned to the end credits. Goodbye and good night. This lot of thought. End credits. That means like you know, like Marvel movie, like after they roll the credit already, and then there's an end credit scene. This is the kind of thing that I'm talking about. Okay. While I was trying to record the ingredients for the steamboat, this guy bumped into me. What do you have to say for yourself?
Accident happened, and a hungry man is an angry man. We don't wait for anybody.
You're a hangry man, hangry. I messed up. Oh shit, I messed up. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. I messed up. Oh my god. It's called unglamorous. Round 2.